real world, taxes are something we can't avoid. The moment a person begins earning or spending money, he or she is already paying taxes, either in the form of income tax, simple purchase like food, clothing, or cell phone loan. These taxes are meant to help fund public services like roads, hospitals, schools, and government programs. However, in the Philippines, people believe that the tax system is unjust, complex, and poor managed. One of the large issues is that rich individuals and large corporations manage to get away from paying the correct taxes that leaves small businesses owners and ordinary workers to pay more than their share. The tax system is also too complex. There are too many steps and regulations, and many individuals don't know how to do taxes correctly. This discourages others to the point of giving up or even bribing officials just to receive assistance. Another issue is that taxes such as the value-added tax or VAT are equal for all, even for the poor who already have a hard time purchasing basic necessities. That is not fair. Furthermore, most people do not know where their tax money goes. Roads remain damaged, schools lack materials, and some hospitals are full. Due to this, the people began to distrust the government. To correct these issues, we must simplify paying taxes, make the laws fair, and end corruptions, enlighten people as to how their money is spent. In the end, we all have to contribute by paying taxes in order to let the nation grow. But the process must be uncomplicated, equitable, and honest. If citizens see that their money is actually going to benefit others, they will be more inclined to contribute. If the government reforms and produces tangible outcomes, we can create a better and more credible tax system for all.